Well, the house wrap is stuck up on all the walls now. The foam foundation wall is now protected with an acrylic stucco. Our blue soffits and vent strips are up on the new overhangs. And this will be part of a traditional soffit and ridge vent system for the new addition. We're installing custom black aluminum flashing on the foundation wall and around the windows and doors. Later you'll see why the door flashing is 4 inches deep. I got this idea from Matt Reisinger. You can see the links in the show notes below. It's really convenient to build your own job site table to cut the flashing material. Ours is just a 12-foot long plywood and 2x4 table on sawhorses. Renting this metal brake for a few days is essential. With a little trial and error, you'll be a flashing pro in no time. The foundation sticks about 2 inches away from the wall, and our wall insulation is about 3 inches thick. So there's a 1-inch gap on the bottom of the insulation that I need to protect from critters and insects. 1/4-inch wire mesh for the animals using the metal brake, and then fiberglass screen laid into that for the insects. Gutex is made up of sawdust and a little bit of paraffin wax to hold it all together. It's tongue and groove to fit neatly together, and the R value is about 3.5 per inch. But one of the best side benefits of this is how much sound it keeps out of the house. The black flashing provides a nice level starting edge for the Gutex. 5-inch screws and washers to hold the boards in place until the siding goes up. The black paint is actually liquid flashing that we applied to protect any exposed edges from rain and any splashback up against the foundation wall. Outlets and penetrations are really tricky, so you need to think ahead. The back wall of the garage gets similar treatment. The taped and caulked plywood sheathing acts as our air barrier to separate the garage from the new bedroom and office. Here's another look at our electrical box detail. This is very similar to the detail on the front of the house. I screwed a 2x4 block on the wall into the studs and mounted an adjustable depth electrical box to the block. All in all, Gutex is a really easy, environmentally friendly product to work with. We really enjoyed it. And we're glad that we don't have to wrap our house with a petroleum-based styrofoam. Okay, see you next time.